Hey everyone, welcome to Cricut time. If you like this video, subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut. For today's Cricut tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use your Cricut or Silhouette to make your own stickers. Let's get started in Design Space, and I'll show you how to set up the cut. The max print then cut area that my Maker 3 will let me do is a 6.75 by 9.25 rectangle. So to start, bring in a rectangle and resize it to these dimensions. This will help you figure out how many stickers you can fit on your page. I already pulled a whole bunch of different ones that I like, and I'll show you how I did it. Over on the side, click on Images. I'm going for a warm weather kind of vibe with these stickers, so I'm going to look for sunglasses. Over on the left, click on Operation Type. For stickers, we will need to use Print Then Cut images. Click on that, then choose any image that you like. I'm going to go for these pink sunglasses. Now I can just resize it so it fits on my page. I'll copy and paste another one of these and just put it down here. This project is almost ready to cut, but I still have 2 more steps that I need to do for it to work. The gray rectangle was really just there so I could plan my page and how many stickers I could fit. I don't want my machine to actually cut it out, so I'll just click on it. Then over on the side, where the rectangle is highlighted, click on the eyeball. This makes it disappear, and my Maker won't cut it out. Next, I just need to highlight everything and press Attach, because I want it all to stay in this position. Now I can press Make It. You'll notice there is a thick black rectangle around the design. That is just there to help your machine calibrate the cut to make sure that everything cuts in the right spot. If you ever find that your cut is a bit off, you can just calibrate your machine and it should fix the problem. Design Space will prompt you to print it, and then when you're done that, you have to press I've already printed. Now you have to decide what kind of cut you want to make. If you want your sticker page to stay together like a regular sticker sheet, look up washi, then click on washi tape. This will stop your machine from cutting all the way through and will only cut the top sticker layer instead. If you want to cut out both the stickers and the backing paper so that you have lots of individual little stickers, then choose sticker paper in your settings and it will cut through both of the layers. For this project, I'm using inkjet vinyl sticker paper, which I picked up on Amazon. I like this one because I can just pop it into my printer. I've printed out my stickers, so now comes the easy part. Just put it into your Cricut and let it do the rest. My Maker is finished cutting, and these stickers are ready to go. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut.